I may do mine every 3 months is what I'm thinking. Like for every quarter. If you saw my goal planning, resolution planning video, which I will link in the cards and the link below. A lot of people have been loving it, so you should check it out too. And there's a free worksheet. In that video, I'm doing 4 quarters for my resolutions to help make them more achievable. So I thought I would do maybe one of these planning videos every 4 quarters just to check in with you guys. We're gonna Monica Geller today, as Kaylin would say, and we're gonna get into what all of these notebooks and planners are about. You're gonna plan with me for a little bit. I'm gonna actually show you myself planning and using my planners.
So let's get started. So first off, I'm keeping a big fun sketchbook journal of all of my goals. I have my 2017 memories, but then I also got into my 2018 resolutions, and now I'm breaking it into my 4 quarter goals. So quarter 1 is January, February, March. Today I'm going to be focusing on January. On January 1st, I mapped out all the things I want to accomplish just in the month of January. And now let's open up my planner. I use the Day Designer Planner, and this is the weekly, monthly, smaller size, and I love it because I only wanted the monthly planner and then the weekly, which I'll be showing you in a second. I didn't need the daily planner because I just wasn't using that. So I like to divide my personal planner up into a few sections. I have video ideas, and then I have my workout schedule, and then any other personal things. I keep all my meetings in my Google Calendar just because it's easier for me to schedule through Google Hangouts and through email. So I also always make sure to mark out my workouts as well. And I color code all of these. So like you saw, videos are yellow and then workouts are pink. And then here's a preview of the weekly planner. And as you can see, whenever I'm doing one of those items during the week, I make sure to highlight it there too. Just keep everything organized in my mind. When I see yellow, I know that's video YouTube. When I see pink, I know that's workout, etc. for different colors. But I haven't added other colors yet. Also, excuse my messy handwriting. I wasn't going to try to, make my handwriting look super pretty for the video. This is my actual handwriting, what my actual planner looks like. Of course, when I get the planner, I go through all the months and add any big dates or things that are going to be going on. So that's just what I'm doing here. And now what I'm going to show you is how I like to remind myself to work towards my January quarter 1 goals. So what I do is I pull up my list of goals that I made, January 1st. You can see them here. If I know an exact date for one of them, like one of mine was to launch the new website, which is happening the 15th, so I added that in. But all my other goals that I don't have exact dates for, I put them in the little notes section of my planner, which I love. That way, whenever I'm planning out my month or I'm just looking at my planner, I can be reminded of the goals, and then I can remember to actually plan and schedule time to achieve those goals. So for example, let's say I'm looking at my planner and I see that I need to organize my closet. That's a goal for January. So I'll be looking at my planner. Okay, I have some free time next Friday, so I'll put organize my closet there. And it's just going to help me achieve those goals and remember what I actually want to do this month instead of just wasting time and getting caught up in the everyday stuff like uploading and working out and, homework, all of that stuff. Here's a view of the weekly planner, which is the reason I bought this planner for 2018. It's hard to see on camera, but it basically has a top 3 checklist, so the top 3 things you want to get done that day, and then it has a list of today's schedule from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. where you can write out by the hour what you want to get done, which I was doing already, so this just helps me plan it out even more, and it's the perfect layout for me for my whole week. And lastly, if I have time, I like to do a little bit of decorating to my planner just to make it personalized and really cute. So I love buying stickers just from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, wherever. Stuff like Make It Happen, you can do it, all of that. Washi tape is also great for planner decorating. I should show you guys my mom's planner because she goes full out. Like sometimes she does bullet journaling, which is where you make your whole planner basically from the start to end. I personally don't have time to do that, or I don't want to take the time to do all that. So I just decorate a little bit here and there with some washi tape, some Sharpies, some stickers. To remember what page I'm on, a little cute thing I do is I get one of these tab things. This is a cute gold pineapple, and I just put it on the week I'm at so I can easily turn to that page.
The other notebook I showed you guys is one I just picked up from Target yesterday. It is I can't remember, but it came in a pack of 3, and they all say chapter 1, 2, and 3. But I'm going to use this as kind of like a diary. You can obviously just talk about like normal diary kind of stuff, but if you want to connect it with your planner and with your goals and resolutions, what you can do is each day or every few days, write down what you've been doing to achieve your goals, how it's been going, and how you've been feeling. Like, okay, today I worked on my goal of learning Spanish. I did 2 hours in the app of Duolingo overall, and this is how I feel about it. I'm feeling more confident in myself now with my Spanish. Or maybe you're working out every day, you can write down how you feel after working out. whatever it is, but it's also great to log your life and your year. So if you're not keeping a journal, I definitely recommend doing it. So this is my plan with me video for January or first quarter of 2018. Let me know what you guys thought of it. Leave a thumbs up and make sure to turn on your notifications so you're notified every time I upload, which is twice a week on Wednesdays and Sundays. Get ready, guys. Lots of fun videos coming for you this new year. All right, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.